practice page for section 2.1 on real numbers and number lines. This first section wants you to write a real number with 10 digits to the right of the decimal. We've done a lot of these together. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Next situation you've seen a lot as well. They give you a number line. Again, just check the scale. Notice how here's -4 and here's -3. Here's a point in between. So this guy lives at -3.5. Just be careful in those situations. D lives at -0.5. C lives at -1.5. G lives at 1.5. H lives at 2.5. You got coordinates for all of the rest of these points. All you're doing to find these lengths is subtract. Subtract those coordinates, take the absolute value, make sure you're getting a positive measure. Okay, the things that are new would be the bottom half of this sheet. They have word problems, which for some reason automatically make things tougher. Number 12, in Detroit, Michigan, the weather report said that today's high temperature was 3 degrees Fahrenheit with a wind chill factor of -10 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the measure of the difference between the two temperatures. Difference means you're subtracting. So if it feels like it's 3, if it is 3, but it feels like it's -10, how many degrees difference is there? That's why we're subtracting. Okay, so the difference between those two temperatures would be 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 13, in North Carolina, the temperature one Saturday was 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat index made the temperature feel 15 degrees hotter. Find the resulting temperature. Well, if you're 95 on a number line and you're going 15 degrees hotter, you're going to the right. So you're adding 15 on the 95. So it feels like it's 110 degrees Fahrenheit. In number 14, the city of Luckett is piling rock salt for use during ice storms. If the pile from last year is 29 feet high and 14 feet are added this year, how high is the pile of rock salt? You're just adding 29 and 14. It's kind of like them using your segment addition postulate. If you have a segment that has a length of 29 and a segment that has a length of 14, how long is this segment now? Okay, so that pile of rock salt would be 43 feet high. For part B, if the mayor of Luckett wants to have a pile of rock salt that is 50 feet high, how much more rock salt needs to be added? Well, we're at 43 now. We want 50. How much further do we have to go? We need 7 feet higher.